yeah. Yeah. Gray sky, city hums low. Rain tap talking on the windshield slow. London breathing a silver tone. Wipers dance to a tired beat. Streetlights stretch on the empty street. Hands on the wheel, thoughts on pause. Every drop erase old scars. No rush here, just miles in rain. Headlights glow on the Thames Bridge line. Past feel distant, out of time. Your shadow soft in the passenger side. No need words on a night like this. London rain night, city wrapped in gray. Every drop rewrite what the day couldn't say. London rain night, streets sing soft and deep. We don't chase no lights, we just let the silence speak. Umbrellas close, we stay inside. Car feel warm while the world slides. Neon blur in the corner store. Life look different than before. I ain't lost, just taking space. The rain got a way to slow the pace. Every turn feel measured clean, like the city reading me. Oh, no loud dreams, no heavy plans, just windshield lines and open hands. If pain knock it, knock polite. In London rain nights, London rain nights, city wrapped in gray. Every drop rewrite what the day couldn't say. London rain nights, streets sing soft and deep. We don't chase no lights, we just let the silence speak. Brick walls, dark reflections long. Old streets hum a broken song. History breathing every block, but tonight the clocks don't talk. Your breath fog the side window pane. Feels like calm after strain. If tomorrow tests my spine, tonight already ease my mind. Oh, no big moves, no scene to play. Just rain showing me the way. Some answers fall real quiet, like London rain nights, London